In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pipedrive Smart Docs. Smart Docs lets you create, organize, and manage sales documents right inside your deals, so everything stays in one place and your team has a single source of truth. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in Pipedrive to work with documents and how to connect your cloud storage so files are saved securely and consistently. Start on your Pipedrive home screen and head to the left-hand panel. Look for the Deals section and click it. This takes you into your pipeline view, where you can see cards for each opportunity. If you have multiple pipelines or filters, choose the view that helps you quickly find the record you need. You can scroll through stages or use search to locate a specific deal. When you've found the right one, click directly on that deal to open its detail page. Inside the deal, you'll see several tabs that organize information like activities, emails, and files. Find the Documents tab and click it. This is the hub for Smart Docs within that deal. Here's where all relevant files will live, keeping proposals, quotes, and agreements tied neatly to the opportunity, so you and your teammates don't have to chase links across different tools. If this is your first time using Smart Docs, you'll see the option to connect cloud storage. Click Connect Cloud Storage. You'll be prompted to choose a provider, typically Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive SharePoint, depending on what your organization uses. Select the correct account, sign in if asked, and grant the permissions required, so Pipedrive can create and store documents on your behalf. If you have both personal and company drives available, consider picking the shared or team workspace your organization uses for sales to keep files accessible to colleagues with the right permissions. During the connection, a default folder may be created to help organize documents automatically. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the sign-in window can appear. Once connected, you'll return to the Documents tab, and your storage status should show as linked. From here on, anything you do in Smart Docs for this deal will save to your chosen storage, preserving version history and access control in one place. If you don't see the Documents tab, check with your admin to confirm Smart Docs is enabled for your plan and user role. That's it. You clicked into Deals, opened a specific deal, went to the Documents area, and connected your cloud storage. With that foundation in place, you're ready to keep your sales documentation organized and easy to find.